Conor Casey likes sound quite a lot. He generates quite a lot of it. Some of you may consider it noise, but we'll move past that. Tonight he's going to talk to us about the significance of sound. We hope that you can all hear this talk and that it sounds good. Conor Casey, everyone.
The most important thing that can make or break any otherwise good film is sound. Sound has been an integral part of music, of movies, since the very beginning. And I know what you're thinking. What about silent films? Well, although you may be right that they were not technically part of the physical media, no silent film would be complete without a little orchestra. Tinkling away in the front. Because sound is so diverse and important for film. The role that it can play in so many different ways. There's in-world sound, out-world sound, sound only we get to hear, sound the characters get to hear. It's way too technical, and people can devote entire careers just to designing sound for film. And I don't mean that they're designing the score. I mean they're making the noises for film. They're making the film seem a bit more impactful and real. These people are called Foley artists, named after the late Jack Foley, who in the 1920s started pioneering this technique on the radio. And if you want to have a rough idea of exactly what they're doing, take the scene from Monty Python and the Holy Grail, where it sounds like a horse is coming over the hill. But it's just a man playing with coconuts. Because that's what sound can do. It can trick you into generating something in your own mind. And none of this is to diminish the musical aspect of sound. Some iconic moments in film are just the music. Think back to the shrieking, sharp strokes of Psycho. Or to the iconic Suave.
The 1961 Ferrari 250 GT California. Less than 100 were made.
Of Ferris Bueller. All the way to the tense and terrifying Jaws. Building the looming fear. The sound alone terrifies you, building a tension and anxiety for people we haven't even gotten a chance to meet yet, and for ourselves. But change the sound, and what do you have? It's just a family-friendly, happy film. Because that's the power that films have. They can completely change your perspective on an image just by using sound. It's incredible. They're able to hijack your brain, get directly into you, tell you how to think without even you knowing it. It's the filmmaker's mind control. You can tell entire stories just through quick, bite-sized chunks of sound interspliced with visuals, like in Hot Fuzz.
It's not ready.
There we go.
an entire journey from London all the way out to the Midlands, completely encapsulated in 30 seconds of quick sounds, completely comprehensible, and you can understand everything. Because that's the impact that sound can have. It's got this ability to deliver information without you even realizing. You can take this a step further in films like WALL-E, with the relationship between what's happening on screen contrasting what's happening to our ears.
Put on your Sunday clothes, there's lots of world out there. Get out the brilliantine and dime cigars. We're gonna find adventure in the evening air. Girls in white and a perfume night with a light.
A desolate, dead world. Towering skyscrapers of literal waste. And it's Hello Dolly in the background. Because that's what the music does. The themes of WALL-E, of capitalist corporate greed, destroying our planet, and then plastering a nice smile over it because it's all fine. Perfectly driven into your brain, again, without even you having to realize it. You can take this a step further. Rather than contrasting what's happening on screen, you can sync everything up.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I got to tell you about the fabulous, most groovy bell bottoms. Bell bottom.
Everything in Edgar Wright's Baby Driver is synced up to a song. Every footstep, every look, every glance, every bank heist, every car chase, producing this rush of chemicals, of endorphins right into your brain, communicating to you that, wow, this is cool. That's the power that sound holds. Sound is able to introduce to you this beautiful seascape painting that is a movie, where there's the beautiful sky that is the visuals, and the deep, vast ocean of sound. And the perfect film is one where there's beautiful sky of visuals and an incredible score and sound, making it all fit together, in which case we, the viewer, get to ride along the horizon.
What I'm back again.